Can you hear me, Jim? Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Namisilang ka sa mundong ito, kinuha ng magulang mo, ng kamay nila, pinungilang.
Wow!
At ang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ang gagawin, pinamasdan at ipagtulong mo.
Wow!
Sa labing napupuyat ng iyong nanay sa pangmula ng gatas.
Oh, yes!
Sa umaga na may karoon ka na iyong mga tuwang-tuwa sa'yo.
How many seasons came and went, and so many years that now been spent. For time ran fast, and now at last you're strong. Now what has started over you, and you seem to hate what your parents do, and stick out your minds, why do you find them wrong?
At ang una mong nilapitan, yung inamulong, at ang tanong na lang, ganag-ganag na.
I don't know, you'll never know how far they move like easy na mamalos. And to see you through and possess you, and the God for you, if they must to see you live. No one see it.
Mundo ito, nakinuha ng magulang, at ang kamay nila, pinag-ilaw. Ang nanay at tatay mo, di malaman ang gagawin, pinamasdan, di magtulong.
Child, you don't know, you'll never know. I'm only going to give you all the love and give. To see you through and this is you, and the God for you. If they must to see you live. Charlotte, your mom is gonna stray. Charlotte, your mom is gonna stray.